Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare real versus fake turmeric. To identify real turmeric, first observe its color. It should be a vibrant, deep orange yellow. Next, smell it for a distinct earthy aroma. When you touch the powder, it should feel slightly gritty, not smooth. Finally, taste a tiny bit. Real turmeric has a strong, slightly bitter flavor, indicating its potent curcumin content. These simple observations are your first line of defense. Unfortunately, many products on the market are adulterated. Common fake turmeric often includes artificial dyes, such as metanyl yellow, to mimic the vibrant color. To increase weight and cut costs, some manufacturers add brick powder or chalk powder. Additionally, fillers like rice or corn flour are frequently mixed in, diluting the pure turmeric and significantly reducing its beneficial properties. Be aware of these common tricks. Selecting the right location is paramount for a secure stash. Always choose remote areas, far away from popular monuments and active player bases, to minimize discovery risk. Seek out dense foliage, large rock formations, or even underwater crevices for natural concealment. It is wise to avoid common pathways and high-traffic zones where players frequently travel. For maximum security, consider spreading your loot across multiple small stashes, rather than concentrating everything in one spot. Consuming fake turmeric carries significant health risks, including digestive issues, allergic reactions, and potential long-term health problems due to harmful additives. To ensure you are buying real turmeric, always purchase whole roots or powder from reputable, certified suppliers. Look for products with third-party certifications, which verify purity and quality. Reading product reviews can also provide valuable insights into a brand's reliability. Your health is worth the extra effort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.